What's good? Top of the morning, top of the evening, top of the noonday to you, whichever one this finds you. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't checked out any of my videos, go on and click that subscribe button and that bell notification so you know when each one comes out. Today I want to talk a little bit about the minor pentatonic scale and use the song Skin Tight by the Ohio Players as a vehicle to kind of show you that. Now, there's a reason why this minor pentatonic sound and shape is so popular and so common. I mean, we hear it all the time, especially if you listen to funk and R&B music. Let's get into a tiny bit of theory real quick. So the minor pentatonic scale is going to work over any minor chord, okay? I'm going to show you first the standard fingering for a natural minor scale. Okay, now I'm gonna just show these to you. I don't want you to fixate on that. That's a natural minor, Aeolian mode. That means that that minor would be functioning as the 6 of C. Okay? You can also have a Dorian. It's got a major 6. In that case, that A minor would be functioning as the Dorian, or the 2, of G. Okay? Or you could have a Phrygian, which would be functioning as the 3 of F. Or if you're on a 4-string, alright, so, but the minor pentatonic is going to fit over all of those. Here's the shape that we're going to use, though, the very common minor pentatonic shape. Now, you've seen that before. Super common. All right, so here's the groove. All right, what I'm doing is in this kind of a position, it's this finger and this finger. If you've seen any of my videos, you know, like in the lower positions, I'm playing more close, like a 4, 1, 2, 4 kind of a position. Okay? You don't want to do this. And that's one reason why you don't want to do that, because you don't want to cross over with that middle finger. So my ring finger fits nicely over that A. Now when I do the second pass, come over with my pinky. Okay, so I've never played it like that. Maybe let's see what it would look like. You already see kind of an issue with playing it in that fingering. It's cumbersome. My mind is not even working on that like that. So it's already cumbersome. So there's your shape that you want to use. Now to check out the B section of this, I want you to go over to tedtalksbass.com. Everything there is free. I'm just trying to build it up, so everything there is free. All it costs you is your email. So go on over to TED Talks Bass and get the rest of this tune, the B section. All right? I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.